'Twas the day before Christmas, and all through the con Nantaku was stirring at the wee crack of dawn. The fans were all nestled in their hotel beds, with visions of Bishops dancing in their heads. With the girls on the beds and the boys on the floor, no one complained when Chris started to snore. When out at the con there arose such a clatter, we sprang awake to see what was the matter, tripping over someone as I made a dash and slammed head first into a window with a crash. The streetlights went out one by one as the street was bathed in the light of the sun, when what to sleep-dazed eyes should appear but an army of Bishies bringing up the rear, and their leader so lively and quick, I knew at that moment it was Saint Nick. On four-legged vehicles and on foot they came as Santa whistled and shouted and called them by name. On Yusuke, on Tatsuki, on Rei and Ami, on Duo, on Tenchi, on Ayeka and Sasami, to the top of the con, to the top of the day, let's greet your fans and be on our way. A great cheer howled through the street as we hurriedly all put shoes on our feet, and down the hallways and stairs we flew for Santa and presents and Bishies too. The help all looked troubled as we reached the ground floor. The lobby was swarming with otaku by the score. Out the doors the otaku did bound to the wonderful treat the magic morning had found. Santa did laugh and handed out toys, anime and manga to the otaku girls and boys, yaoi and hentai to the older bunch, and to others a ramen and pocky lunch. Manga, doujinshi, and DVDs, videos, art books, and mini plushies. The Bishies they danced and they made merry, they sang karaoke and praised the cosplay. They posed for photos and avidly spoke, and let out a laugh when someone told a joke. A hug and a smile before we said goodbye. The scene was so beautiful I wanted to cry. Springing to his sleigh, to the Bishies Santa did call. We need to get going, I'm needed at the mall. I heard them exclaim as they slowly disappeared, "Goodbye for now, we'll see you next year."